Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert audio directly into your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your presentation, select the Insert tab, and then going over near the far right side of the ribbon where it says Audio, click the drop down and select either Audio on my PC, or if you want to record audio and upload it directly, you can do that as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.